According to the World Wildlife Fund, the Earth loses 18.7 million acres of forest each year. To put that in some perspective, that's 27 soccer fields each minute. Carbon dioxide is the most prevalent greenhouse gas. So what does greenhouse gases and carbon dioxide have to do with deforestation? Well, greenhouse gases absorb thermal radiation, and when in big groups, they can push and cause climate change. Climate change can cause tree populations to decrease and forests to decrease in size. Carbon dioxide has to do with deforestation because cars produce carbon dioxide, and we kind of use those a lot, don't we, to get everywhere we need to go. As a business major who wants to open up a coffee shop outside of every national park system, this is an important issue to me because forests have to do a lot with national parks and what they hold inside. Deforestation is a problem that is generations old, and it continues to be a problem for the planet. What I will be talking about in this speech today is what deforestation is, the causes of it, and the effects that it has on our planet and our atmosphere. Since I have discussed what I will be talking about in this speech, I will now inform you about what deforestation is. Deforestation is the decrease of a tree population in a specific area. It could be something very small, or it could be something as big as a rainforest. Deforestation usually happens for agricultural purposes like building homes. Forests cover 30% of the earth. Deforestation can happen all across the world, but it mainly happens in rainforests. According to Alina Bradford, a grad student from Oklahoma State University, stated in 2018, the country with the most deforestation is Indonesia. Since the last century, Indonesia has lost at least 39 million acres, 15.79 million hectares of forest land. Bradford, 2018, paragraph 3. The damage that is happening all over the earth is increasing due to deforestation. Since I've discussed what deforestation is, I will now inform you about the causes of deforestation. The main causes of deforestation is agricultural use. Agricultural use can be a wide variety of things, but there's usually three main reasons to it: to make farmland, to make room for housing, and to make household goods, such as toilet paper. The most common technique for deforestation is slash and burn. The technique sounds just like its name. They cut down trees and they burn them from their roots. The burning helps get rid of the weeds quicker, and then the ashes from the trees nourish the soil for the new crops. This technique is mainly used in farming. Another underlying cause of deforestation could be something as simple as wildfires. An example of this could be California. According to the California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection, in 2018, 1,005,814 acres of land were burned in California due to wildfires. Since I have now informed you about the cause of deforestation, I will now tell you about the effects of deforestation. The biggest effect of deforestation is greenhouse gases, like I mentioned in my introduction. Greenhouse gases can push and cause climate change depending on the level that they're at the moment. According to Michael DeLay, an environmental science professor at LaSalle College, the number one problem caused by deforestation is the impact on the global carbon cycle. Bradford, 2018, paragraph 10. Carbon dioxide makes up about 82.2% of the United States greenhouse gases. The number is so high because, like I mentioned before, carbon dioxide can be produced by cars, but it can also be produced by the dying of trees, and then the carbon dioxide is released into the air. With enough carbon dioxide and greenhouse gases, this can push climate change, and this can cause forests to decrease. Since we have addressed what deforestation is and the causes it has on the planet, I'd like to review what we have previously gone over in the speech. I have gone over what deforestation is, the effects that it has on the planet, and the causes of it. In conclusion, deforestation is a problem that is generations old, and it continues to be a problem for the planet. Trees have been on this planet longer than we have. There's no reason we as humans should outlive something as crucial to our way of life than trees. Thank you.